we got everybody here. We're going into the city today. Don't know what we're doing, but it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Do Canal Street Station today. That's on the agenda.
Yo, yeah, our plan is that we're gonna go to this place called the Sugar Factory. I've never been here. Have you ever been here?
I have, like in 8th grade.
Like in 8th grade? What's the food?
They have like regular, like burgers.
Oh shit!
Yeah. But they have really sick drinks.
But why is it called Sugar Factory?
Because of the huge drinks.
And
oh,
they have
okay.
like a separate
so it's like
building.
Black Tap.
No, and they have a separate building that's literally like it's like Black Tap, but instead of like desserts, like sugary stuff, like candy.
Okay. So yeah, we're going there, and then probably the park, and then I don't know.
Dude, Canal Street,
we'll whatever.
That.
Two hours later.
So I put my socks on.
That's a smart idea. Alright, we just cut all the way across Central Park, and now we're inside the lobby of the Plaza Hotel in famous movies that you've seen, such as Home Alone 2. So, yeah, we're just chilling in here. We're about to walk down 5th Ave, and then we're going to head into Midtown and go to Grand Central Station. Yo, there's like smoke pouring out of a building or something. Holy fuck!
You guys want to go see? I kind of do.
We are all now at Grand Central Station. We're taking a subway downtown so that way we can get to Chinatown. Alright, so we just finished up exploring the Canal Street Tunnel, so now we're taking the train back to Penn Station to go back to Jersey. Look, it's Chris. What's up? made it to Secaucus. Everybody's back there. My hair is a mess because I've been wearing my hat all day because it's been snowing and there's snow all over the ground and the roads are still not plowed. So yeah, it's gonna be fun when we get back to Ramsey.
How did Sherry do that?
I don't know. We'll find out soon.
How did you do that?
Emergency door, yeah?
It was fucking good.
How did you do that?
I took the bus.
Emergency door, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you actually
Yeah.
take the bus?
Are you fucking high?
Oh my god, Sherry! What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's gonna die.
Doo doo, bye bye.